Hi, GA. We're sorry about your shoulder. I'm here with my coworker Andrea, and today we are going to show you some exercises and stretches to relieve your pain.
Hi, Yuhei. Okay, so we're going to start with the clavicle. First, we're going to find the manubrium right here at the top of the sternum. And then if you follow the manubrium laterally, you're going to come on this bony ridge. That's the clavicle right here. And then if just inferior to the top tip of the clavicle is going to be the coracoid process. It's a little tender right here for Matt. And then just at the superior lateral point of the shoulder, the bony point of the shoulder is going to be your acromion process. The clavicle is important because it's the point of attachment to the axial skeleton for the shoulder.
So then we have the lateral border, which is right here, and the medial border, which is right here. And they meet together to form the inferior angle. And then the spine of the scapula is right here. And is important because the scapula and the clavicle work together as a unit to move the shoulder.
Okay, so now we have the movements, which are, we have elevation of the scapula, then we have depression, then next up we got protraction, which is here, and then retraction, which is when you retract your back. Then we have upward rotation, like this, and then we have downward rotation, like this. And then from the other view, we have, once again, elevation, then depression, then we have protraction, retraction, then we have upward rotation, and downward rotation.
Before you go, GA, we have some exercises that we would like to show you to help with your shoulder. So the first one is going to be dumbbell shrugs. You could do this using like 120-pound dumbbells if you would like. Have your feet shoulder width apart, and then start by elevating your shoulders and then depressing them, and then to repeat the motion. Do it 3 sets, 15 reps a day. And then the next one we have is a neck tilt stretch. So there you're going to want to tilt your neck to have your ear touch your shoulder, or almost, and hold it there for like 30 seconds. You do it 3 times a day also. And then the last one is chin to chest stretch, and you're going to have your chin touch your chest and hold it there. It's going to help relieve tension in the back of your neck and stretch out your neck muscles. Which do that 3 times a day for 30 seconds.
Okay, Yuhei, and then we're going to demonstrate a massage that you can do to help alleviate some pain that you might find in your shoulder. So first you're going to want to find your levator scapulae muscle. You're going to do this by kind of moving your head to the contralateral side that you're massaging. And you're going to see it kind of runs from the base of your skull and attaches to the superior aspect of your scapula. So it's kind of right here. And you can use this with your thumb or with a tennis ball up against a wall. And you can just kind of rub the tension right here. And I'm going to have Rowan move his head to the contralateral side slowly as I'm doing this. And it's going to help release any pressure that you might have. You can also have a partner take elbow and slowly work downward. And like I said, you can use with a tennis ball up against the wall and kind of just release tension that you might have right here. But this should help alleviate some pain for you that you might be having.